trong tàu cho này thật gì cho tốt lấy tốt chế tổ. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you to the officer, the peace officer, the Hmong American peace officer from Minnesota that joined me here to pay respect to our fallen brothers. Also thank you to all the Asian peace officers across this land that are here with us, and all men and women in uniform that are here with us as well. And Honorable Mayor Tom Barrett, thank you for being here. And thank you, Chief Morales, for your kind word and your very encouraging and supporting to the family. Today is a sad day. We are here together to mourn the loss of Officer Kou Her, a relative of mine, a promising young man that left us too soon. This young man was our son, our Milwaukee son. He's our brother. He worked hard to become the American finest in the police force, to serve and to protect the people. And he honored that duty to the very end of his life. We all will remember him so. He was truly a hero, a great American, and forever he will be in our hearts. He grew up in poverty among his 8 siblings and pushed himself to the limit to go further in hope to become someone greater, someone that everybody can look up to and rely on. We know Officer Kou Her to be kind, intelligent, and independent. He was a person with strong self-discipline and responsibility. He was a role model to us all and to his 25 nieces and nephews, who will miss him dearly. As a young police officer, he stood tall. He stood tall with the strength of an unbeatable Hmong warrior. We will miss him now that he has passed on to eternity, where there's no pain, no suffering, no sorrow. That was and is what Officer Kou believed in. As a Hmong American leader and a Minnesota senator of Hmong descent, I am here with my Hmong peace officer to bow our head to pay respect to our dear child of mine who have fallen in the line of duty. Officer Kou Her could have ascended in rank in the Milwaukee police force and could have worked to protect all of us many years into the future until our black hair turned gray. I'm sad that he's gone and no longer with us now. At the same time, my grief is mixed with disappointment that his life of service was cut short by an irresponsible driver. My fellow Americans, I'd like to reiterate the old value of please do not drink and drive. My Hmong people are small in number, and God-fearing heroes like Officer Kou Her are hard to come by. This year alone, we buried two of our Hmong American finest in the police force. Both officers were killed by intoxicated drivers. No matter how much we plead for people to stop or enforce a heavier law, our sincerity may only fall on deaf ears. So at this funeral of my beloved son of the Her family, I'm calling to heaven that may harms of this kind come no more to my people in uniform. And again, I thank my brothers of Hmong American descent who serve, who's still with us today. To the Milwaukee Police Force, thank you for giving one of your own a very honorable procession and unforgettable send-off. Officer Kou Her will be in peace with gratitude. And to the United Her of Wisconsin, thank you for your kindness and your leadership, giving Officer Kou Her's family a helping hand during this difficult time. To Officer Kou Her's family, your sorrow is unimaginable. May your pain heal in time as we are here with you. Rest assured that the brave and kind soul of our son, Kou Her, is now in heaven. And we will find him there in due time. Officer Kou, farewell. Your life may be short, but you are the finest in all of us. You served this country well to the very end. Farewell, my brother. Farewell and Godspeed. 我照着说这个都对都学到，当初被撸错，就被都给都地喏，就被都都，哎，都山到着，只只把安难找咩，阿布阿做这内，佢真女，哎，都 plan 起被都都，佢冇本事，佢只有找。đau phán đau lên xa, ta chỉ nên một vấn đề là giờ đây chẳng là thảo có béo xa luôn, xí băng cho dạng vấn đề, có tụi mình tu, sáng rồi phỏng hợp, hai bé cho tu chỉnh sự, mong bé chỉnh nhau nói luôn mấy chuyện này, thảo có rất là xa luôn ha, thảo mà chịu sao phỏng công mong cho mấy chuyện này. God bless you all. God bless everyone for being here. And God bless America.